Welcome to SoftSpot Reviews. Today I am delving into Webbookai Studio, a remarkable GPT-4-powered application that crafts impressive eBooks, flipbooks, and eCovers in a mere 30 seconds. Should you desire further details about Webbookai Studio, the sales page link is provided beneath this video. For your convenience, there are two links available, one marked Webbookai Studio Review Bonuses, and another labeled Webbookai Studio Sales Page. Feel free to explore these links at any moment. If you stick around until the end of this demonstration, I'll reveal the launch dates, exclusive bonuses I've curated, pricing, and upsells for Webbookai Studio. Within the members area, we find ourselves on the Webbookai Studio dashboard. Initially, I'll play a vendor demo video, but that will follow a brief demonstration. To create an ebook, navigate to eBook Builder. Begin by selecting Add New eBook, and you'll encounter various categories such as title, cover, introduction, conclusion, recommended resources, footer, call to action text, and URL. For instance, to craft an ebook, input a title via the AI writer. Choose your service, enter your desired title, select your language, English in this example, and generate content on a topic like affiliate marketing. The AI writer will provide a title that you can copy and paste into the relevant section. Similarly, for the introduction, access the AI writer, select eBook Introduction, use the keyword, generate the text, copy it, and paste it into the introduction field. I strongly recommend proofreading the content to ensure coherence and accuracy. Next, to conclude, use the AI writer again, select Conclusion, generate the text, copy it, and place it in the conclusion section. Additionally, there's space for recommended resources, a call to action, and a footer URL, though I won't cover those here. After finishing, click Submit. You can also generate a cover with the AI writer or use an image from Pixabay. Download the chosen image, save it, and upload it as your cover. Fine-tune the ebook for your specific niche or market and proofread it thoroughly. After submitting, you can edit the ebook, add chapters, or delete it if necessary. The AI writer makes the process swift and straightforward. The next section is the flipbook creator, followed by all flipbooks, add a new flipbook, eCover builder, AI content generator, AI graphics generator, stock images and videos, search video images, search vectors, search videos, done for you ebooks, agency reseller, and 10 million ebooks and PLR options. Note that some of these may be upgrades. Training is essential. Thus, I recommend watching the training videos before using the program. Support is available through ticket submission, and there are upgrade options, though I advise proceeding through the funnel for these. Bookmarking the sales page is also advisable. Now, I'll play the vendor's demo video, which is about 2.5 minutes long. Enjoy the music accompanying it. Following the demo video, we're back on the dashboard. My perspective on Webbookai Studio is that it excels at creating aesthetically pleasing ebooks and flipbooks. However, proofreading is necessary to ensure quality. AI technology